G'day folks, thanks for stopping by. Today we're going to have a look at some motor mowers and perhaps unleash a plan. And by the way too, I've also got some more road stuff coming and a bit more Yamaha stuff, so stay tuned. Thank you. Alright, so basically what we got here are four mowers. The first one here, the Victor, is a daily. I use this one most of the time, and it's a two-stroke. And I picked this up from the neighbour next door. He was putting it out on the rubbish heap, and apparently it had a bit of an issue where it wasn't cutting properly. So I asked him if I could keep it, and he said that wasn't a problem. So I had a look at it and found that one of the clips around here at the front, one of the clips in there had come off, and as a result it was the axle was coming away from the rest of the chassis. So I had a spare, and I fixed it up and gave it a bit of a tune up, and I actually offered it back to him, and he said he was going electric anyway, so he said I could keep the mower. So I just used that one as a daily, and that's quite a good mower. And along with the Massport 190cc 4-stroke Briggs & Stratton, I got given that mower too, apparently not working, and I pulled the carby off and it was absolutely filthy, so I gave it a bit of a clean and sharpened the blades, changed the oil, and that's also a great mower. And the reason I like using it is because, we'll see if we can get this off, just a sec. There we go. This one comes with a, if I can get it out, there we go. We've got a mulching plug, so that's great to use in the summer. Okay, let's have a look at what we've got next. Okay, this is a Sunbeam with a Victor motor 160cc 2-stroke. I've had this mower for a while. This was a daily. It's probably from about 1975, and the motor in this is absolutely sweet. It runs beautifully. Never had an issue with this mower, apart from the fact that it just needs a restoration, which we might look at a bit more into the future. But this is a great mower actually. I was also gifted this one. People tend to gift me mowers when they're not running, and I can usually get them going. Quite well used, but really solid. And last of all, this old Victor here was one that I bought about 15 years ago, and pretty much cursed really. It's always had issues, this mower, for some reason. I don't know what it is, but it's just never ever been quite up to scratch. So as a parts machine, it'll be quite good. The engine in it isn't too bad. The chassis, as you can see, I've done a few somewhat repairs, but it's pretty ordinary, so we'll just keep that as a parts machine. But the one that we want to actually do the resto on is in the garage, so let's have a look. Alright, so here you have it. This is a Rover made up in Brisbane in the late 70s, and I was also gifted this mower, apparently not working, and on the side, okay, it's empty now. I put some juice in it and pulled the cord, and it went, so I couldn't really see what the issue was there. However, get this off, the air cleaner was missing, so it was probably in good need of a service in any case. Let's have a look. Ugh. As you can see, that's pretty nasty down there. Need to look at that. But in any case, it was running, which was great. But the mower itself is in absolutely fantastic condition for resto. It is complete. It's completely unmolested. The wheels are superb. The chrome is beautiful on the wheels. Missing the muffler. But it's got the old Briggs & Stratton motor, which these engines are fantastic. So we're going to actually do a resto on this mower. We're not going to go overboard. Look at the handlebars; they're quite rusty. We're not going to go to the effort of getting them re-chromed. I mean, that'd cost a fortune. It just wouldn't be worth it. But we're going to get the body hydroblasted, and I'll repaint it. And I think I might pull the motor down. It probably doesn't need it, but I'm curious more than anything else, and I think we should perhaps just have a look and see what it's like. It shouldn't be too tricky. You can still get parts for them, it's not an issue. So we'll see how we go. And this one also comes with the catcher, which is great. So overall, great mower for resto, and we'll get going on part 2. See you soon.